Now I'm going to show you how to thread the reliable 5500 SD sewing machine. First, we put the thread on the thread stand, making sure it's feeding straight up to the thread stand eyelets, that it's not on an angle. The thread is going to feed from back to front. Now we're coming down to this triple eyelet on top of the machine. Now I'm going to weave this through instead of wrapping it around. What happens when you wrap it around, it actually adds a little bit of tension to the thread as it's going through the system. So now I'm going to come to the pre-tension. So it will go through the top eyelet, down through the bottom eyelet, and then in through the tension discs. Down through the lower eyelet, and now we're going to go down through our check spring assembly. I'm going to hold the needle thread with my right hand so I can secure it between the tension discs. I'm going to bring it from left to right, over the top of the check spring, and under the thread guide for the check spring. And as you can see, if I pull the thread, that the check spring is moving up and down. Now I'm going to go through the right hand guide, now from here, I will go through the needle thread take-up. From the needle thread take-up, I'm going to go to the upper left thread guide, lower left thread guide. Now the thread pincher, make sure it's in behind and behind the disc. Around the little pigtail guide. Now I'm going to go through the needle bar thread guide eyelet. And from here, I'm going to thread the needle from left to right.